here, well, we got back here, there was really, the holly bush was here. There's a couple of trees, the patio. There wasn't that much. And we've always had like a really beautiful yard. We've always been into, and you know, not like typical structured landscaping, just like whatever kind of fits in there at the time. So we started out by like, you know, pulling some things out and, you know, just putting things where we thought they would look good. That was about it, really.
Well, I probably had a lot of it in my head because I did landscaping for a long time, for almost 30 years. And we knew we wanted a pool, so that was definitely a focal point that we wanted to do. And then we kind of built off of that and just kind of both of our experience in doing landscaping over the last 30 years, we kind of brought it together over the last 5 to 6 years. So I like to collect like odd stuff. I like to find odd pieces, and we have a local artist that's probably going to be on the walk piece. Also, a big influence in my yard with some of the faces, as you can see. And yeah, we just like to find odd pieces that kind of fit me and JoAnne's personalities. Well, JoAnne's got a very high, stressful job. And I have a business that, you know, I deal with a lot of people during the day. So we want to come back here and just be kind of quiet and kind of reflect and just have a place to kind of enjoy the birds and just be quiet.
And I like to look at little things in the yard that make me smile. You know, so and you'll find there's a couple of things here that really, when you look at them, you just kind of zen out. And you're like, oh, that's so sweet. That looks so cute. That makes me happy. Those kind of things.
And we also have some themes that my mother-in-law's bench, who passed away, we brought in. We have a door that we put our addresses in since we started out, and we have something from my grandfather from Staten Island that we brought in. So we kind of, and my grandmother, and we just kind of like to bring things in that makes us think of our family and the good times. So she likes it.
Yeah, that's why I like the pots on the stands, because if I don't like where something is, I can always move it to say it looks better here, or it gets more sun here, and it's not in the ground. There's some things got in the ground, like the hostas. I love the big, huge hostas. But there's always room for something else a little special, some little thing, right?
Yeah, we don't like to throw stuff away, so we like to have, you know, things we find in the garbage or find in the store, or, you know, somebody's giving away. You know, we like to have that kind of items in the yard.
Yeah, and some of them you got to kind of get a little close to. You really got to walk around to actually like see all the little pieces and the little animals and things like that.
And even myself, when JoAnne goes out here by herself, I come home and I see new stuff. So it's always good to find a little treasure here and there, definitely. My grandfather was an old Italian guy, so he made me learn how to do the tomatoes, and I had no choice but get into turning beds and whatnot. And then when I was young, I just got the opportunity to work for somebody, make cash money, and it was like, this is the best.